Meet Stan Barry. Firstborn Richard. Second Mitchell. Marilyn, his wife. Marilyn and Stanley Barry have always been futuristic in their thinking throughout their lives. Stanley's passion for real estate, coupled with Marilyn's innate devotion to care for others, launched a lasting desire to make a positive impact in their community and beyond. It all began in Rockville Center, where they met at a party with different dates. Always the gentleman, Stanley waited until after the party to call her and ask her out. He knew that their romance was written in the stars. 67 years later, their marriage is still lighting up the sky. Stanley graduated from Hofstra University Business School, and he went to work for his father in the linen rental business. During these initial years, he started a career change into real estate, which he found to be much more rewarding. Stanley opened his first full-time management business in 1971 and never looked back. Marilyn also grew up in Rockville Center and began her career working for a well-known pediatric orthodontist. But the call for a family took over, and her family of two began to grow. With the birth of her two sons, Mitchell and Richard, as well as volunteering and charity work, Marilyn was and continues to be a role model for those around her. Eventually, they would pack up and move their family to Boca Raton, Florida. As they settled into a full-time residency at the Polo Club, they decided to become more active in their philanthropic endeavors, donating not only financially, but also their time and expertise. Both Marilyn and Stanley have sat on the board and executive board of Ruth and Norman Rails Jewish Family Services. Not only did they successfully chair several events, but they were also hands-on in securing properties that have allowed JFS to grow and expand. They have lent their talents to Boca Raton Regional Hospital, where Stanley is chair of the foundation and on the board of trustees. Marilyn and Stanley also have supported North Shore Children's Hospital, FAU, Jewish Federation of South Palm Beach County, and Donna Klein Jewish Academy, to name a few. They have also purchased 5 ambulances for Mogen David Adam and became investors in the New Blood Bank of Israel. Marilyn and Stanley's feelings about their family are out of this world, as is their continued desire to share their love of charitable giving. They inspire us all with their innovative and visionary efforts to make the lives of those in this community, and for generations to come, the best they can be. JFS is proud to recognize Marilyn and Stanley Barry as this year's Humanitarians of the Year.